Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Celeste. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this very simple and pretty flowers. So this is how it looks like. Very simple stitches. All we need is half double crochet, stitches. So if you know how to make those stitches, then you are in on this project. But before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updated in our videos. So on this project, all we need is yarn size medium, our hook size H or 5.00 millimeter, our tapestry needle, and the last one, our scissors. So go ahead and get ready your materials. Then if you are ready, let's begin with our project. Now let's start to make the magic ring. Then after we done our magic ring, we're gonna make a chain one. Then do 10 half double crochet into the magic ring. Now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. After we done our 10 half double crochet, we're gonna make sure that it is 10. Then after that, we're gonna pull the tail at the back to close the gap on the center. And now we're gonna insert our hook on the first chain of our work, then do a slip stitch. After that, we're gonna make a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this is counted as 1 double crochet. And on the very first chain, we're gonna make 5 double crochet in total of 6. Now we have 3, 4, and 5. So now we have total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is together in 1 stitches. Then insert our hook on the third chain and make a slip stitch. Now we done the puff stitch and chain 1. Now go to the next stitch, then do 6 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then go back to our first double crochet here, insert your hook, then pull the yarn and do a slip stitch. So now we done our second petal, popcorn stitch. Now chain 1, then go to the next stitch and do another 6 double crochet. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. Then repeat. Go on the very first double crochet, make sure you have 6, insert your hook and grab the yarn and do a slip stitch. Now your third petal popcorn stitch is done. Make a chain 1 and go to the next stitch and repeat this pattern. So in every stitches we're gonna make a popcorn stitch. Now we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then go back to the first double crochet and make a slip stitch right here. Now your third petal popcorn stitch is done. So go ahead and continue this. Make sure that you have 10 popcorn stitch. So in total of 10 petals. Now I'm on the last stitch. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now I'm on the last stitch here to complete our petals. Now I'm gonna make 6 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then go back to the first double crochet here, then pull the yarn and do a slip stitch, then make a chain of 1, then go to the first popcorn stitch right here and do a slip stitch. Then now pull the yarn and cut it off. Now our beautiful flower is done. So all we're gonna do here, we just secure our yarn at the back. But if you say that there's a gap or a space in the middle, you can still make it tight now before you secure the yarn. Now using our tapestry needle or yarn needle, we're gonna secure our slip stitch right here. So I need to make a seamless stitch right here first, then we're gonna secure it. Now let's cut the yarn, then go to the tail and we're gonna secure it at the center. And now we're gonna secure one more time right here, then go back to the area where you saw the yarn here to make sure that it won't pull off, then cut the yarn. So now the flower is done. So this is very simple, very easy and fast to do. So you can use any sizes of yarn right here if you want to. So this is works for any sizes of yarn. So now our flowers are ready. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. So please don't forget to comment below and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.